how to fix TikTok photo slides not being created. So if you're not being able to create photo slides on TikTok, there could be a couple of reasons why. First, you could just open the TikTok application. Once you launch a TikTok app, what you are trying to do is pretty simple. You would just tap on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen, allow the permissions for your photos and videos. Now you want to actually create a slideshow, but a photo slideshow which you can swipe manually. For that, you can tap on the photos icon here, allow the access to your photos, go to the photos tab, and then just tap and select multiple. Now simply select the photos that you would like to add right here. So once you go ahead and select the photos that you would like to add, in this case I've just done that, so let me just select that. Then I can just tap on next option. After that, I can tap on next. It will automatically put it in a slideshow format. Now I can also tap on more options and do this. Now if by doing this method it's not creating a slideshow, the another way that I recommend is by choosing a template. So just come back and just discard the post right here. Then what you want to do is you can go to this templates icon. Here just choose a template of a certain slideshow that you want to create. There will be many templates that you can choose from. Based on what kind of template you want, you can just choose a slideshow template that looks like this or a collage. You can tap on try this template, select the photos, and that should help you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.